My washing machine has this LED light. It said Apertura Porta. That means that we have a problem with the door sensor here. I removed the door sensor, the door lock, and we will take a look together. It has 3 pins, 2 to energize the B-lamp and 1 for the signal that the door is locked. We will test if there is a contact or not here from those 3 pins. I will use, maybe here is without reflection. We have 3 pins. 2 of them must be connected, which are connected to the B-lamp. Nothing. Maybe it has a higher resistance than we switch to on mode. Those here, nothing, and here are those 1 kilo ohm. Those for the look, and one of them must be connected when the look is activated, of course. I will grab the larger screwdriver. I will use leverage with this flat screwdriver from this part. It's blocked here from the right side. Now we have maybe from this side. This part is come out here. It's locked here on this side, maybe. I remove this actioner part, so when the door is closed by hand, it will be, this part of plastic will be in this position, and it will be kept with this little plastic here. Here we have the B-lamp, and this little plastic will go out and block the door in the closed position. At the same time, we have a contact activated between those pins. I will open this part and maybe clean the contact. Here we will find the B-lamp. We have here a little screw here, maybe to adjust the mechanical parts inside. We must pay attention when opening here. Oh, so it's opened now. This is the part which goes out and block the door in the closed position. This one will go out. It goes by a little bit, maybe 1 millimeter. At the same time, it will close this switch, so it will close this contact here with this pin. We have a contact here between this, the middle one, and this one. I will test the contact. I will grab the meter. Now we will use those two pins. Now it works. Here we have 1 kilo ohm, of course. 1 kilo ohm of resistance. There is. Maybe without those. No, here. I didn't find, so maybe there is a problem with there is a heating resistance here. This disc may be visible, which has 1 kilo ohm. Maybe there is a problem with that disc. Okay, we have 1 kilo ohm, and the contact maybe must be here. So we can make a schematic here for this door lock. We begin with the heating element. It's a PTC, positive temperature coefficient. This is the heating element. It will heat a bimetal. The bimetal is a tow strip of metal which has a difference in the thermal expansion. So here we have the bimetal. We have here this is the middle contact connected to the bimetal. This is the left contact connected to the heating element. This is the PTC, and the other contact is connected here. Here we have a contact for the closing position. So when we apply a voltage between those two pins, the heating element will heat and will cause the bimetal to bend and make a contact here. So the microcontroller can, now that the door is closed, I cleaned this contact and the washing machine worked properly. If you have a problem with this door lock, you can clean also this contact between the heating element and the bimetal, and between the heating element and this pin. You can undo a screw here and clean those contacts. Of course, the bimetal, when it makes a contact, it will push a little plastic here, little plastic, to ensure that the door is closed and can't be opened until the cycle of washing ends. Now we have no more that error signal and the washing machine functions properly. Thanks for watching and have a nice time.